Guys, today I'm playing Animal Hospital because I've been seeing it on my For You page on Roblox. What is happening? Why am I invisible? Whatever. But yeah, I've been seeing Animal Hospital on my For You page, so I'm going to play. And also, you guys can suggest in the comments if they're turned on. What games I should play. But finally, I'm not invisible anymore. Let's see if anyone joins. Hello, anyone? Oh, thank y'all. Thank y'all, person. Thank y'all. Okay, my screen's very glitchy, so sorry about that. I'll do this. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Waiting for players. Done. Okay, fine. Okay. Oh my gosh, that guy looks like an anomaly. What I'm getting from this is that it's kind of like shawarma kiosk. I don't know though. I've never played. This is my first time. So I heard a hack if you. Oh my, they're scary. Heard a hack if you look in there and they have no torso, they're an anomaly. They have a torso, so they're good. Why can't I? Oh, open. Why is everyone in my face? Get out of my face. What's this? Register. Oh. He's scary. I'm like, damn. I don't trust that, you guys. Take it. Talk. What does that mean? Oh, he has his badge. Little badge, his card, follow patient, it says. Well, you guys can't see that, but I can see that. You got a front row seat. They have a torso, what is that? I don't know, but let's say they have a torso. Guys, I got a cheese squishy, and I've been playing with it, like, for so long now. They seem normal. Yeah, this is giving me the vibe of, like, shawarma kiosk. I don't know. Register. I understand you have to take the badge, but people keep, like, giving them the badge before I can, bro. Anyone coming? I don't know. What's this? Oh, increases sanity. Okay. What's the patient? Total patients or something? I don't know. This guy is always in my face and he looks terrifying. Open it. Oh my gosh. I am so laggy. Yeah. Is anyone? Doctor is arriving. What doctor? What doctor? Guys. Oh, doctor. That doctor. Makes sense. Just keep in mind, I'm low-key so bad since it's my first time playing. By the way, if you're wondering why it's just a certain place, is there was talking at the bottom. That's what those sound. He has no torso. But the doctor's no. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. The doctor can't be an anomaly. That'd be crazy. That'd be insane. Yeah. I also saw a bunch of. Don't mind on the side. That's just how the shift went. And I saw this thing of like, oh my gosh. Okay. Did anyone else see that or no? Yep. But basically, what I saw was like a bunch of horses. Yeah, I guess you could say. There's a guy banging on the window. You just take 2 sips of coffee and give him the rest, but there hasn't been a guy banging on the window yet, so I don't know. I think they're, oh my gosh, I don't think that torso thing's real, because he's twitching his head. And he's probably an anomaly. Bro, why are they printing this guy? This also says things like anomalies drop slime. So. Plus his photo was blurry too. Oh my gosh, bro. I hope you can get out of here soon too. Oh my gosh. He is an anomaly. Why would they do that, bro? Just stand in him. Finally, I got to actually do this stuff. Take his badge, give it to them. Oh, talking is how you give it to them. Oh, okay. Because I didn't know how to give it to them. I just pressed talk because that's the only button available. There are some stores. There are stores that sorry guys. Oh my gosh, why is everyone coming with like bandages around their head? I don't like that. Yeah. What's this? Buy. Oh, you actually have to buy it. That is from the money you earn from working here. Oh my gosh, why do you have to buy everything? Treat remaining patients. Is there any remaining patients? Look. Just make up. Oh, again. Okay. I'm opening the facilities for you. The supplies shop will open up. Oh, there's a supply shop. Oh, faster. The shop is open. I'm running another shift done. Oh, for more sanity, but we already have the other thing. Like coffee. That's all for today though. Bye guys. Recommend some more games.